Hey everybody, this is Buddy. Wanted to show you a new feature that we have been testing with the microsites to try to do a little more self-qualifying on the leads that coming in, so that we can at least when you do a big AdWords campaign that you do, or a Facebook AdWords, or you do a big push with mailing or something, and you get a good number of these leads that are coming in. What we want to do is always you want to try to take the best ones first, obviously, but it's hard to tell. And on other systems, we've tried these little buttons that say, just curious, I'm moving in 30 days, and all this kind of stuff. But in FreeHouseValues, we took those out because we realized that people would just check the first one, typically. So what we're doing now is we tested something, and it's really kind of cool. And we kind of stole this from Hendrick Automotive, their websites, because they use this and allow the customer, and this is an on-off toggle that you can do in your microsites. It's totally up to you. And we've been testing it, so now I just kind of wanted to show you that it is working quite nicely, and I'm going to go ahead and debut it and show you how to do it. But on this, you'll see this is my email. This is one I got this morning, and you'll notice this right here. You can see right here, this is the field. I simply put a question in, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. When are you wanting to move? Well, they don't have to type anything, okay? It's not a required field, but you can see that this lady, and please don't call her because Brittany, one of our listing agents, is calling on now. But you can see she has self-qualified her. She didn't have to type a word. She typed when we sell our current home. So, and she actually lives in a very nice area. And of course, you can see this came from, in our case, this came from this microsite, which we run, and this is something that we run on Facebook on the ads campaign. We spend $10 a day on this. For us, our team. So, and we get about probably 3 to 8 leads a day from it. Probably about half and half with data, without data. And each market's different. And make sure you watch the latest Facebook ads campaign. Don't do the boosting like everybody we used to do. The results are way different because with the new targeting system that Facebook has, you can actually target just homeowners, and that is really, really effective. So anyway, so let me jump in and show you how to go ahead and go in and add this on any of your microsites. So you go into your dashboard, your FreeHouseValues dashboard, and then you go to your microsites, and you can see I've got a list of mine. And what I did is, if you go here, you'll notice that here's all the different things that you do. And all you do is you go under custom field, you enable it, and then you type, when are you moving? You can type anything you want, but I would keep it short just because keep in mind the microsites are responsive, and there's a good amount of mobile people. So if you put a really long question, it's just going to make it double line, triple line, or something like that. I would keep it really simple. Don't ask a yes or no question where they can simply say yes or no. That's never a good option. They'll always answer no. Ask them a question that if they type anything, they actually have to answer something that they think about. So then I'm just going to simply hit submit. And also I wanted to show you another little trick. We use ZopIM, and we don't have a third-party integration for it yet, but I did find a workaround if you want to do it. All you do is when you go into your content here, what I did is I just entered the ZopIM chat code in the source code underneath the main thing right there, and then I saved it all. And so that way, now let me show you what happens when I go over to, and what points here is Wilmington Values, partner domain for it, values.org. I'm playing around with the orgs. Actually, it's not resolved yet. Wilmington, I misspelled Wilmington. Hold on. Wilmington Values.org. Here we go. Okay. So I'm in a hotel in Charleston, so I got a little bit of a lag time. I'm using my hotspot. So I don't know why it's just taking a little while. The internet's a little bit slow. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is walk you through this and kind of show you how it works. So I'm going to type my address, Masons Bluff Court. I'm going to go right here, and hopefully my internet connection will come. So here, of course, we have everything, but you'll notice right here is the new question. So they don't have to type it. It's not a required field. These are certainly required. They won't get a value without it, but it is really a beautiful, beautiful thing. wanted to kind of share with you guys that and how you do it. Just remember, you go back to your account, log in, go to your microsites, go over here under your microsites, and go under custom fields. It's a new tab, and just go from there. Thanks a lot, and go crank it out.